The balsam fir, Abies balsamea, stands as an iconic symbol of evergreen elegance, known for its aromatic fragrance, lush foliage, and traditional use as a Christmas tree. If you're considering adding the beauty of a balsam fir to your landscape, or embarking on a festive journey into the world of Christmas tree cultivation, this comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about growing and caring for balsam firs. Overview of the balsam fir. 1. Identification. Balsam firs are medium-sized evergreen trees with a conical shape, reaching heights of 40 to 60 feet. Their dark green needles are flat and arranged in a spiral pattern, giving the tree a feathery appearance. The distinctive fragrance emitted by the resinous blisters on the bark is a hallmark feature. 2. Climate and hardiness. Balsam firs thrive in cool northern climates and are well suited to USDA hardiness zones 3-5. They prefer well-drained, acidic soils and typically grow in mountainous regions. Growing balsam fir trees. 1. Site selection. Choose a planting site with well-draining soil and adequate sunlight. Balsam firs tolerate partial shade but flourish in full sunlight. Ensure the site has good air circulation to prevent diseases. 2. Planting. Balsam firs can be propagated from seeds, but for convenience, consider purchasing seedlings from a reputable nursery. Plant in early spring or late fall, ensuring the root collar is level with the soil surface. 3. Soil requirements. Balsam firs prefer acidic soils with a pH ranging from 4.5 to 6.0. Amend the soil with organic matter to enhance drainage and fertility. 4. Watering. Young balsam firs need consistent moisture, especially during dry periods. Provide deep, infrequent watering to encourage deep root growth. 5. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree to retain soil moisture and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also helps suppress weeds that may compete for nutrients. Care and maintenance. 1. Pruning. Minimal pruning is required for balsam firs. Remove dead or diseased branches and maintain a balanced shape. Prune selectively to encourage dense growth. 2. Fertilization. Balsam firs benefit from an annual application of a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Avoid excessive nitrogen, which can lead to weak growth. 3. Protection from pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and spider mites. Applying insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control infestations. Ensure proper air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. 4. Winter protection. Balsam firs are hardy, but winter damage can occur, especially in exposed locations. Wrapping the tree with burlap can provide protection against harsh winter winds and snow. Harvesting balsam fir for Christmas. 1. Timing. Balsam firs are popular choices for Christmas trees due to their attractive form and aromatic fragrance. Harvest trees in late fall or early winter for optimal needle retention. 2. Practices for sustainable harvesting. If harvesting balsam firs for Christmas, adopt sustainable practices. Consider purchasing trees from local growers who practice responsible forestry management. Growing a balsam fir tree is a rewarding experience, whether you're cultivating it for its beauty in your landscape or as the centerpiece of your holiday decorations. By providing the right conditions, attention to detail, and a touch of care, you can enjoy the evergreen elegance of the balsam fir for years to come. Embrace the natural charm and seasonal splendor of this remarkable tree and let it become a cherished part of your outdoor space or holiday traditions.